What's up, everybody? This is your boy Zara123 back at it again on another Subway. Hello, surfers, and also I got the ninja skin. You know how I got it? Because I used my parents' credit card to buy. I'm joking. I just got it because I kept on watching, like, there's like, for like a bonus you get like 500 coins, so you watch like a one video. So I kept on doing that, and I actually got 20,000 stuff. And I also bought the white version too, because like I like all like the black in it, like the black in the arms and the black in the legs, and also the black belt too. And yeah, it looks kind of cool. So yeah, and yeah, let's do this thing, guys. So wait 1 second. Okay, let's do this. Dude, I'm starting to get better at this game, like, not to lie. Yeah, and also, I erased all my videos in my video recorder, and now I can go up, now I can make videos, now I can make my video go up all the way to 3 hours. But I'm not gonna make my video go up to 3 hours, and it's too much. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I also got Tagbot too, by the way. I'll tell you guys, I also got Tagbot. And yeah, and also, this was a really good for my Tagbot. Like, his head is like, ooh, that was close one. His head like in his body, like how do I say it? Oh, like his head is like shoved in his neck. Yeah, I'm trying to say that my Tagbot has no neck. Like, it's kind of glitched. The head's kind of glitched. So yeah, I don't know why, but this better fix that. I wasn't doing. I'm joking, guys. I'm not gonna say it. But actually, I'm joking. So yeah. Actually going to roll right now, bro. Like, holy snap. Woo! Ah, I went too far. Oh my god, bro. I did a Michael Jordan jump right there. I went too far. Yay. So right now, this is all my skins. And also, if you want to buy a couch, you can get from here. But this thing's not sponsored, by the way. It's not. So yeah. So these are my skins. See, I already have Tagbot. And I got this one. Oh yeah, this one. That's it. And that's all it. I want to get this guy so bad. Who's better, Tagbot or this bat? This guy? I think he's better. Look at my Tagbot when I use it. Look, I'll show you. His head, like, look at his head. I don't think it was to be like that. It's still like down. You know. His head. You see his head like just like squished down to his like neck. Oh, he has no neck. And look, when I like come here, when you go here, see. You see, you can have like a little bit of his neck, like his like head is like pushed down to his like neck, you know, his body. See the difference? So yeah, I want to use it. I could buy this other strong, but like, I like this one more better. This one too. I like this one too. Also, the reason why I play this game because like I remember like when I went to my like cousin's house, Melanie, Janelle, and my two cousins. Like Janelle, she always play with this game all the time. She likes this game. So I'm like, what is that Subway Surfers? Like, yeah. She plays on a tablet and for like the skin she always uses is Frank. Yeah. I remember she used that skin and she has a lot of skins, not to lie. So yeah, I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to this is why I just like learn how to play the game from her. And that was like when like 2019. I started playing the game in 2019 and like, oh, that's a nice game, I'll play it. But then I just started getting bored of it and like, you know, I erased the game. But then I feel like No, I should probably get Subway Surfers back. Started missing the game. But yeah, I got the thing back, and I actually don't regret it. I love the game. That was a close one. And yeah, it's a fun game. I'm telling you guys, you should actually download the game. So yeah. But Subway Surfer is not sponsored though. It's not even sponsored. I'm just telling you guys to buy the game. It's a fun game, but I'm not sponsored it. No. Subway Surfer is not sponsored. I'm just telling you guys that, you know, it's a fun game and you should actually get it. So yeah. Oh, give me the pogo stick. Oh no! Ooh, that was a close one. Oh snap! Oh my gosh! I shouldn't jumped off from the plane. From the train I meant. I keep saying plane. So dumb. Bumba bumba bumba. Okay, we're back at it again. You know, when I play Subway Surfers, I think like this is like a tournament, and like all my characters are just trying to play it. So like, well, the trophy. Like when I play Subway Surfers, like yeah, it's almost like I'm actually in the game, you know. And, like that ninja's me, and actually trying to like dodge all the stuff. But I'm controlling it, so I'm not like third person point of view. But if like Subway Surfers was actually first person point of view, first person, that'd be amazing. Yeah. Oh, man. I'm just gonna be I'm good at the game. I'm the best at it. Hey, one second, guys. Okay. Jump, jump. Big apple. Oh! No! My gosh, yo! I was literally so sorry right there, bro. I had so much stuff in my hand there. 800. I just need 200 more coins, and then we'll be back to 10,000. And I'm at 9,800 something. Ooh, front flip, bro. If you know how to do a front flip, if you want to know how to do a front flip, gotta do this. Yeah, you gotta put you gotta swipe the thumb all the way up to the screen, like this. Oh no. No! Oh no! Oh, snap. Snap. Oh yeah. Dude. I hate you, King. I don't mean, I don't mean Jerry King. Jerry King Lawler. Jerry Lawler King, like from WWE. How does this get so much points, man? We're not gonna talk about that. Nope. What's up, guys? I'm back. We just had some technical difficulties there, so yeah. Yeah, so let's see. Like I say before, I need like 2 more coins. Everything. So yeah. What just happened? Oi! Remember that Looney Tunes game? Like, it's almost like Subway Surfers 2? But I think they removed that game from like Google Play, didn't they? It's like almost like Subway Surfers, like Looney Tunes. There's like the first level is just about like Bugs Bunny, and he escapes from that like shooter guy. I forgot. It's like the little bald guy midget, and like you know. But I didn't see that game. I didn't play that game for like years. Like the last time I played that game was like 2018, bro. Like for real. But I try to look for it. I hate when that happens. Do you hate when that happens? You just hate when you just like jump so high and then you just hit the thing because you get like. Also, I'm in first place, by the way. So yeah. Ooh, you like that? Oi. Go, front flip. Really silly. Apple. Oh, well, I don't know how to get it. That was too close, bro. Oh yes, I got these jump. I call them the booster shoes. The booster rockets. I call it the booster something. The booster shoes. Like yeah, I actually call them like the booster shoes because it's a nice name, right? The booster shoes. No, the jetpack was there, bro. I should have got the jetpack. Right. Try your best and you don't eat poop. Oi, Bob. On. Oh, I hate this part, bro. Well, this is the part when I die, I think. Okay, now this part, I call this part the Bridge of Death. Because there's like so much pains, so much trains that come. And yeah, it's annoying. So yeah. Okay, now this is the hard part. Ah, why? Why? Okay, let's see what we got. Hey, yo, frick. You know, I should double it actually. We're back, guys. Yay, we did it. Okay, I just watched that on thing. Hey, yo, Nicky 30. Wait. Okay, buddy. What was I even hitting? The coins were my way. I was hitting nothing. What do you mean? I don't get it. I swear, bro. I was hitting nothing. Also, guys, I've been trying to call Cranker lately, see if we can do a video, but like he's not calling. Like last time I talked to him was like a month. Yeah, a month ago. And like he doesn't make any videos anymore, man. I don't know what happened to him. Probably got a new phone. I keep on calling him and calling him. Like I don't know what happened. It's so weird. I started sending voicemails or started sending like videos, you know, funny videos, but like he's not even there. I don't know what happened. Hey, I got the last apple. I was annoyed.